Hello students, it's me Rizwan here. In this video, we're going to learn how to find uh, zeros of functions and also maxima and minima using this calculator. So let us start. So graph, let us start with a simple quadratic function. Let us start with the x squared minus, x squared minus, let's say 3x plus 2, 3x plus 2. So execute and then draw, and then you get this one. Let us say I don't want this scale, I want to change the scale. So press F3, you make it minus 5 to plus 5, and then y also minus 5 to plus 5. So now draw, you get this. Now you can see that, let's say I want to find the roots. Okay, I want to find the x-intercepts. You can see that it is not very clear here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom this part, or maybe let me change the scale. So view window, let me make it y as, let us say, minus 2 to plus 2. Yeah, now you can see very clearly there are two x-intercepts, right? So how do you find that? They're very simple. Go to press F5, that is gsolve, and then you'll have a lot of options. The first option is root, so press F1. So the first root is 1, okay, and then press this again. The second root is 2. So the first root is 1 and the second root is 2. So this is how you can find the roots. So let us say I want to find the maxima. So gsolve, press max, and it will say that it is not found. The reason being, it is very obvious that there is no maximum right here. There is no maxima here, but there is a minima here, isn't it, at this particular point? So let me go and solve it, find it, gsolve, minima, and you get it. So when x is 1.5, you get the minimum, and the minimum value is minus 0.25. Okay, so let us exit gsolve. Let's say you want to find the y-intercept. So where does this particular graph intersect the y-axis? So when you press y-intercept, you will get it. So when x is 0, y is 2. So the y-intercept is 2. Again, very simple. Exit. Now let us say I want to sketch another function. So before, without deleting this, so I'll keep it as it is. So I'll just select so that this particular equal to sign is not highlighted. That which means that I will not be able to see uh, the graph of this function now. So let's say the second one is, let's say, x cubed minus 27x plus 9. Now draw. Now you'll be able to see it. Now you're not able to see it properly, isn't it, students? So I'm going to change the scale. So view window. So let me make it as x is minus 10 to plus 10. So let me make it standard first, and then I'll go and change the y-axis. Let's say y is minus 20 to plus 20. Now still I'm not able to see the maxima or minima, right? So again, let me go to view window. Let me make it as minus 40 to plus 40. Now it is okay. I think it's still, you need more, so let me change the scale. Let me make it as minus 60 to plus 60. Finally, I can see the minimum but not at the maximum, but I can use this window, but I want to see both of them at the same time. So let me make it as I need to increase the maximum now. So view window, let me make the maximum as 70 or 80. Draw. Now, yeah, I can see both the maxima as well as minima. Fine. So let us first find the x-intercepts. You may notice that there are 3 x-intercepts here, right? 1, 2, and 3. So gsolve root. The first one is minus 5.36, and press this button. So second one is minus 0.335, and the third one is 5.02. So 3 x-intercepts. So let us find the y-intercept now. G solve y-intercept. So the y-intercept is 9. When x is 0, y is 9. So the y-intercept is 9. Now let us find maxima. You can see there is one maxima here. When x is minus 3, y is 63. Sorry. So 63 is the maximum value. And that's it. There's only one maximum value. So press, so let me go to G solve again. Let us say I want to find the minima. So press F3 and you'll get this value. When x is 3, y is minus 49. So that is the minima. Fine. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to sketch. So exit. I'm going to select this, the first one also, so that I can see both the graphs in the same window. So select, exit, draw. Yeah, now you can see both the graphs, right? Suppose let's say I want to find the root now. Okay, so when you press G solve and then when you press root, it will ask you for the which one. Like, do you want the root for the first function that is a quadratic function, or you want the roots of the second one that is a cubic function. Now here it says x square minus 3x plus 2. So if I press execute now, it will give me the roots of the first one, that is when x is 1 and then x is 2. So G solve again. Let us say if I press root again, F1, it will again ask me. Now let's say I want to find the roots of the second one. So press this one down. Now you will be able to see the cubic function. Now when you press execute, I'll be able to find the roots of the cubic function, right? Now let's say I want to find the point of intersection. You may notice that both the curves intersect at 3 points, right? It looks as if they intersect at 3 points. So let me find the coordinates. So G solve and then you have this ISCT. Okay, so press F5. So the first point of intersection is this, minus 4.58, comma 36.7. And the second point of intersection is this. The coordinates are 0.289, comma 1.22. And the third one is 5.29, comma 14.1. So these are the points of intersection, right? So this is how you find the points of intersection. Fine. I hope you found this video useful, students. Thank you.